Hey you guys, I wanna show you something amazing. I'm running an audio signal through an oscilloscope. We can see exactly the same wave that we're hearing at the same time on both audio channels, and use them to draw with sound.
Well, I know what you're going to say. Nowadays, anyone with a bunch of spare waves can actually draw mushrooms on an oscilloscope. Or butterflies. Or the Death Star. But that doesn't really sound like music. Or does it?